Stay tuned for the best pressure washing video ever. Oh yeah.
Out in Ohio where the rents are fly. Got a man named Mike, he's your wash guy. House wash, roof wash.
Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Do I have a job for you. Let me tell you, this one would make the greatest businesses in all of businesses jealous. What I'm about to show you. Yesterday, my hater in his hate video, he said, that guy on YouTube, he only washes 2,200 square foot homes. I wash parking garages and big buildings every single day. He only washes these small houses. Oh yeah? Well, let me tell you this. Buddy, you have no idea. Check this out. Yeah, business is bad. I've resorted to washing trampolines. 2,200 square foot homes. I wish. Parking garages. Are you kidding me? Hotels? I can't even imagine. Heck, they won't even let me wash their house. I have resorted to washing trampolines. It's getting bad. Okay, I'm joking. This is a nice family from our church. They asked if I could stop by and wash the trampoline for them. I said I can do that. But I do want to make a very good point about not washing what's beside of you, but washing what's in front of you. Stick around, it's going to make sense, I promise. Hey guys, Mike here. I'm out here enjoying my fiber rounds as I do after every house wash with my 5x7 cards by Fresh Rinse Media. And I'm reminded to tell you that with your exclusively Fresh membership, you can enjoy 30% off all Fresh Rinse merchandise. 30%. Just a purchase or two will pay for a full year of exclusively Fresh. We'll have our launch party on October the 1st, 2024, and I'm super excited about it. All right, back to the video. I have been wanting to make a video for quite some time called Wash What's in Front of You. And here I have this great opportunity because there are some of you who would say, man, I don't want to wash a trampoline. And I'll be honest with you, it's a first for the Fresh. I've never washed a trampoline before, but it's not beyond me. It's true, I don't wash a lot of buildings, some, but not a lot. I'm kind of happy with that. I wash a lot of homes and I really enjoy the residential space. But I have made it a practice as part of my business model to not really consider what others are doing. I just don't pay attention to what other people really are doing in the industry. If you're washing big buildings and parking garages, I want you to know something. Dude, I'm happy for you. But I swear, if you made a niche out of washing trampoline nets, I would say, dude, I'm happy for you. Can I encourage you to not compare yourself to anyone else? There's one Joe Deary, there's one Barry Little, there's one Jeremy Messer, there's one Fresh Rinse, and you gotta be you and you gotta do you. And if washing trampolines makes you happy, do it. Just be happy doing what you do. It's possible that we could get so caught up trying to be somebody else that we miss the opportunities that are right in front of us. Opportunities to provide for our family and opportunities to bless other families. Obviously, I'm not charging anything to wash this trampoline. Nice family in our church. They've asked me to stop by. I'm going to take care of this for them. What would take them all afternoon, it's going to take me 15 or 20 minutes max. On the way home, and I've got yet another 4 p.m. swim date with my wife. This is Thursday. We've been in the pool every night at 4 o'clock and enjoying the snot out of that. I was literally washing for 2 years before I knew that there were other washers out there in the residential space, washing houses and roofs and driveways and trampolines. And I'm very grateful that I had those 2 years to just focus on what was in front of me, just washing what was in front of me. I didn't know to look around and be jealous of other people's rigs because there were no other rigs. I didn't know that there was such a thing as pressure washing. I literally was just ignorant to the fact of pressure washing as an industry. You've heard me say in the past, I thought I invented pressure washing. That's not a lie. And so having those few years just to wash what was in front of me allowed me to not see the peripheral, not to worry about people on either side of me. All I need to do is just wash whatever came my way. 10 years later, I'm not jealous of anyone, and I'm happy for everyone. When I first started driving in 1985 or 86, my dad taught me how to drive. And he would say, son, keep your eyes on the road in front of you. Watch what is in front of you. And guys, I want to tell you, there's a reason why your windshield is much bigger than your rear view mirror. Because what's in front of you is far more important than what's behind you. So to kind of piggyback off what my dad said, to watch what's in front of you, I want to encourage you to wash what's in front of you. Just be you and don't worry about anybody else. It's okay to have your favorite YouTubers, guys and gals that you aspire to be like someday. But here's the thing. You may miss what has been meant for you by hoping to be somebody else. Just wash what's in front of you. When you wash what's in front of you, you won't have time to worry about what everybody else is doing. Your mind is focused on what you're doing. You're minding your business and doing your thing. And then when I hear about other people's success, I get excited, like genuinely excited. When people in my area tell me what they're doing, I get pumped up. Guys in my wash area will call me up regularly like, man, I landed that hotel. Can you believe it? That apartment complex, that whole cul-de-sac of houses in my wash area. And I get pumped. I mean, I get really excited. Why? Because I'm washing what's in front of me. They're washing what's in front of them. Why shouldn't I be happy for their success? Not jealous in the least. Why should I be jealous of them? They're washing parking garages. They're washing big buildings. They're washing skyscrapers. I'm washing trampolines.
Come on, might remember the name.